It's recording. Alright. It's gonna eat me. Hey, chickies, come on. Come on, chickies. Are you scared? Are you scared? You're so bad. You're so bad. Oh, crap! Thought I closed the door behind me. Oh, wow. Okay, now I gotta catch it. And I'm filming this. I'm filming this. They're probably like, I'm outside. Wanna go back in? Wanna go back in? Go back in. They're free roaming chickens now. They're free roaming. Go back in. Go in. I have to keep these in, and the process these are the electric. Come on. No. Not you. Come on. Not you. Oh, man. What? What should I do? Okay. It's like totally two of them and they're still inside. All right. That's a problem. They're like, oh boy, you're free.